little fox.
Welcome, dogs. Mom opened the car door.
Cassie, meet Max. He's our new pet.
Cassie grinned as a black dog ran toward her. The dog wagged his tail and licked her face. Then he jumped into her lap.
He likes you,
Mom said.
I like him too,
Cassie said.
I'm going to take him everywhere.
The next day, Mom and Cassie took Max downtown. They went to the library first.
I'm sorry,
The librarian said.
no dogs are allowed in the library.
Next, they went to the pharmacy.
Ugh!
Cassie groaned when she saw the sign on the window. No dogs allowed. After the pharmacy, they walked to the butcher shop. The butcher glared at them.
No dogs are allowed,
He said. While Mom bought some meat for dinner, Cassie waited outside.
I wanted to take you everywhere, Max.
She said sadly.
But everyone says no dogs are allowed.
Max looked up and licked her face.
Let's walk home through the park.
Mom said. Suddenly, Max sniffed the air.
I think he wants us to follow him,
Cassie said. Max ran through the park. Cassie heard loud barking. Then Max stopped near a tall fence. Cassie read the sign on the gate. Friendly dogs welcome.
Yay! It's a dog park!
She cried.
Dogs are welcome here!
She bent down to hug her new pet.
I guess I can't take you everywhere, Max. But we can always come here together.
Woof! Max barked happily.
Dogs that work.
Some of my friends have dogs that work. My friend Susie cannot see. Her dog walks to school. Good dog! My friend Tim cannot walk. His dog gets the mail. Good dog! My friend Anne cannot hear. Her dog hears someone knocking. Mr. Jones is a police officer. His dog catches criminals. Good dog! My friend Miss Sanchez is a soldier. Her dog guards the gate. Good dog! My friend Mrs. Kim works at the airport. Her dog looks for drugs and bombs. Good dog! My friend Mr. Wilson is a dog sled racer. His dogs pull the sled. Good dogs! I like my friends. I like their dogs too.
Henry the Guide Dog.
Mandy is an active young woman. She goes to school like other people her age. She is studying music. But Mandy is special in one way. Everywhere she goes, her best friend Henry leads her. Mandy is blind, and Henry is her guide dog. Mandy and Henry do everything together. Not all dogs can become guide dogs. Guide dogs have to be smart. They also have to be faithful to their owners. German Shepherds, Golden Retrievers, and Labradors like Henry make good guide dogs. Guide dogs start their training at a very young age. About 7 or 8 weeks after a puppy is born, it moves in with a family. These families are called puppy raisers. They volunteer to raise the puppy for 1 year. It is important for guide dogs to feel safe and to have lots of love. They must learn to get along with other people. They must learn to get along with other animals. Henry's first family was the Martins. The Martins had 2 little girls. Their names were Anna and Mimi. They loved Henry very much. At night, Henry slept with Anna and Mimi. It is important for guide dogs to sleep inside the house. The Martins took care of Henry and loved him as part of their family. After 1 year, it was time for Henry to return to the school. Henry began his special training. He learned how to obey commands. Sit, come here. He learned to wait for the traffic light to change. Henry was almost ready to be a guide dog. First, he and Mandy received training together. Mandy learned to give Henry orders and how to take care of him. Henry learned to love and trust his new owner. Mandy walked with Henry to her school. Then they walked back home. Before long, Henry knew how to get to school and back by himself. Henry makes sure that Mandy is safe wherever she goes. Henry is happy to take care of Mandy. Thanks, Henry. Even at home, Mandy and Henry spend every moment together. Mandy likes to play the piano, and Henry likes to sing along. Mandy does not feel less able because she is blind. She feels special because she has Henry. Not only is Henry her guide dog, he is her best friend.
The Small Hero. A family of spaniels lived on a farm. The mother spaniel's name was Sunny. One day, she had puppies.
"Oh, honey, come here. Our Sunny just had very healthy puppies."
Oh, how lovely! But one is very small.
They watched Sunny lick them until they made their small puppy cries. Sunny rested as the puppies nursed. Let Sunny rest. Let's go. But the small dog could not get through his brothers and sisters. He could not nurse at his mother.
Wait, look at this pup. We must hand feed this one with a bottle, or he will die.
Oh, I like this one. He has a spot that looks like a clover leaf. Let's call him Clover.
Clover grew, but he was still smaller than his brothers and sisters.
Hey, look at you! You are small! Right, you are so small.
All of Clover's brothers and sisters laughed at him too.
Mother, they laughed at me.
Don't worry, being small is just fine.
Really?
Clover stopped crying and leaned against his mother's side. Clover grew, but he was always smaller than his brothers and sisters.
Let's wrestle!
Can I wrestle too?
No, you will be easy to beat. Just watch us wrestle.
That night the farm was very quiet. Everyone but Clover was asleep. Clover could not sleep because he felt very sad.
Mom! What is that smell?
Oh no! Hey, everyone! A fire has started in the barn!
Oh no!
All the animals in the barn were scared. Smoke started to fill the building. Sunny and her pups scratched at the door, but it was latched shut.
Look, there is a small gap at the bottom of the door. Someone must crawl through it and go get help.
I will go.
But he did not fit. His body was too big to go through the gap.
Let me try.
Wait, Clover, you must try.
Sunny knew that only Clover was small enough to fit through the gap.
Yes, I will try.
So Clover wriggled through the gap and ran to the farmer's door.
Well, what are you doing here, Clover? Get up, everyone! The barn is on fire! We must save the animals!
Soon the fire was out, and all of the animals were safe.
What a relief! I thought we would all die. Clover, thank you. I'm sorry I made fun of your size.
That's right. If Clover had been any bigger, he would not have fit through the gap.
Then Clover is a hero, even though he is so small.
That's right.
Hooray for Clover, the small hero! Hooray!